nitrogen, pH, and temperature RF sensor transmitter. This RIoT wireless RF and Wi-Fi sensor detects, monitors, and measures ammonia and nitrogen, pH, and temperature levels in water. It is used in conjunction with RF Solutions Hub Gauge. The user can view the ammonia, nitrogen, pH, and temperature levels in real time on a smart device or PC via the internet anywhere in the world. Alerts can be set to trigger notifications and directly activate a local RF receiver unit to switch on or off a load or an alarm.